Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you, let's bring this up a little. I want to show you how to do this card using some of our Perennial Essence Vellum, okay? There are a couple ways you can use Vellum, and we're going to do one of them, and this is going to be it. So what we're going to be using is, we're going to be using Good Morning Magnolia, the stamp set. For ink, we are going to be using Stazon, Gorgeous Grape, Poppy, and Poppy Parade. And we're going to be using the Poppy Parade blends, and where is the Granny Apple Green? Oh, there it is. And the Granny, or is this the, nope, this is the Call Me Clover, dark Call Me Clover blend. For cardstock, we are going to be using a piece of Whisper White 8.5 by 5.5, and a piece of the Petal Pink, and I know this doesn't look like Petal Pink, but it's Petal Pink Perennial Essence Vellum, and this is 4 by 5.25. Okay, so what we're first going to do is we're going to stamp the small Magnolia with Stazon. Oh, I love that smell. And we're just going to put that aside. Okay, just like this. And remember to go up and down, because if you move it a little, it will smear. And then I'm just going to put that aside. Going to put some Stazon cleaner here so it doesn't. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to take the Whisper White and I'm going to make a card base out of that. And on the front, in Gorgeous Grape, I am going to stamp the little, it's, let's see if I can get some more light on here. You can't see that very well, can you? I'm going to, it's the swirl thing. I'm going to stamp that on the top and the bottom of this card. Okay. There we go. I'm going to clean this off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the vellum, I'm going to flip it over, and then I am going to, with my Poppy Parade, I'm going to color in the back side of this. Okay? Mainly because if you color in the front side, what will happen is you're going to take the Stazon off, because what it does is it will take the Stazon off, but this will dry. You can't use like those Stampin' Right markers, but you can use the blends. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the light and do those down there. Let's bring this down just a little so you can see that. And then I'm going to take the dark Call Me Clover and do the leaves in the stem. Now you can put it on this way if you want. Or you can flip it over and look at that color there. So I'm going to just lay this on here where I like, and then I'm going to see right there is where I'm going to take my Poppy Parade and my thinking of you saying, just think, if you order from me this month, you may get one of these for your thank you card. Now to put on the vellum, there is vellum tape, but I found that if you put it on with vellum tape, you can still see it. You could put little things in the side, on the corners, and then tape or put the glue dots in the corner. You can put a couple on here, behind that. I just find you don't want to use liquid glue, I'll tell you that. Tear and tape, it shows all the way through unless you use small. Same with snail, and snail doesn't really stick. So I'm just going to be using, I'm going to put one under, to show you, I'm going to put one on the back of the Magnolia, and you can't even see that, see? Oh, well, it'd be helpful. Oh, I did get that there. And I'm going to put some on the corners of the vellum. Okay, can you see those? Now all I'm going to do, I mean, and you can stick it on. You can hold these on if you wanted to use eyelets or brads or something. You can do that with that too. But there you have it, a quick, simple, easy card using up your vellum. And I really love the vellum. It gives it that softness around everything, making it a very elegant card. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything to do this is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.